Hello viewers, welcome back to Packages Compare. In this video today we compare two best smartphones, which is Realme GT3 versus Realme GT Neo 5. So let's see the full comparison video. Display, display type, display size, resolution, always on display, pixel density, aspect ratio, screen to body ratio, refresh rate, screen type, brightness, screen protection, storage, smartphone RAM, smartphone memory, card slot, body design, has body weight, body dimensions, body colors, SIM slot, water resistant, platform, has chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, main camera, main camera megapixel, main second camera, main third camera, camera flash, video record, selfie camera, selfie camera megapixel, selfie camera feature, video record, connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, has GPS, has GLONASS, has Galileo, has BDS, has NFC, infrared port, radio, USB connection, battery, battery type, battery capacity, has charging, sensors, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, compass, proximity, heart rate, sound feature, loudspeaker, 3.5 mm jack, network, technology, launch date, market status, has result, price, has price USD. Thanks for watching. If you have compare any Realme smartphone, so please comment in the video, and if you have buy this smartphones, link in the description. Also like, share and subscribe packages compare.